So I've got the M4 Mac Mini, and I'll be showing you how to connect a USB flash drive like this one. So this is a full-size USB-A flash drive, and unfortunately there are no USB ports on this M4 Mac Mini. You only have two USB-C ports and three Thunderbolt ports at the back. Okay, so there are no full-size USB-A ports on this M4 Mac Mini. So the only way you can connect this to the M4 Mac Mini is using an adapter. And there are plenty of adapters you can use, which are basically Type C to female Type A. So you can plug in your flash disk here, just like this. Okay, just connect that in there. And then now with this Type C connector, you can connect to the M4 Mac Mini. So that's basically the only way to do that. And once you connect, the flash drive will appear on your desktop, and you can double click on it and see the contents of that USB flash drive. So that's basically how to connect using a Type C to Type A adapter. Now, there are plenty of adapters you can use. You don't have to necessarily use this one, because this is a dedicated Type C to Type A adapter. Okay, you can use this one, which is also Type C to Type A, but it has a cable. Okay, so there's a cable in between that you can use in maybe if you have more tighter spaces, or you can just go ahead and use a USB hub like this one. So this is a USB-C connector that goes into your M4 Mac Mini, and then you have all these peripherals. So you have USB-C, you have HDMI, you have Ethernet, which are all available on the M4 Mac Mini, but what's not available is full-size USB 3.0 ports for high-speed data transfer. And then you have SD card and micro SD card, just with one single connection using this hub. So that's the alternative you can use. But that is basically how to connect a USB flash drive to your M4 Mac Mini. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up right below and possibly even subscribe for more tips. I would really appreciate that. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.